Hey, today we're cooking chicken stir fry with shrimp. Chicken and shrimp stir fry with vegetables. Yes, I said it, vegetable. I'm not eating this crap. I'm sorry, I don't eat this. This is for my wife. She loves the way I cook it. It's gonna be good, I've heard. Because I'm not eating it. I'm not putting it by my mouth. Try it. All right, y'all, we're fixing, I got the oil on here. I'm fixing to put my chicken down and my vegetables. Takes longer to cook them. Shrimp don't take long at all to cook. So we're gonna spread this all around a little bit. Then we're gonna throw some chicken on it. Here we go. Look up there. Listen to this. Ooh, love it. We're gonna spread this out a little bit. Take a little while to cook these chicken now. First thing we're gonna get right here is this garlic powder. I love garlic on my stuff. And yes, I'm putting a lot, but y'all gotta look. This is gonna mix in with the vegetables and everything else. So it takes a good bit of garlic. All right, this is the good stuff. This is an island stir fry. Woo! Get you some of this. I'm gonna load this up. Like I say, I'm not just seasoning this meat. I'm seasoning the vegetables, everything. So put a little bit extra on there. All right, y'all. You got to have 2 spatulas when you're doing stir fry. No way around it. Look at that. Woo. And it don't take long and it's simple. And they say it's good. I don't eat it, I don't know. All right, y'all. Put some of these vegetables on here. Y'all know what I like to do with vegetables, huh? Like a turkey, got a little extra thing in there. I like to cook my vegetables. The way I do vegetables, the real way to do a vegetable, the way I like to do it, you take that bag of vegetables, you go out here, you find you a stump. You set the vegetables on the stump. When the rabbit comes, shoot the rabbit, then you got something to eat. All right, y'all, we're going to put some soy sauce on here and some garlic powder. And you know Miss Janet, how she is, she's all healthy and all that crap. So she got the reduced sodium. Boy, it's really reduced. All right, we're gonna do it for real this time, y'all.
Sure?
Mm-hmm. All right, y'all. Little garlic powder. Then we're gonna steam it up a little bit. We got to steam them vegetables. Chicken too. We're gonna flip them around. You see when you throw that water on there, see all the stuff coming to the side? That's your good stuff. That is the good stuff. I'm gonna chop this broccoli up. Yeah, I know what that is. Yeah! When I was growing up, we had plenty of vegetables. That's all my grandma and grandpa cooked next door to us. We had plenty of vegetables. Half my family don't eat vegetables. I don't know why, but we don't. There's a little mushroom. What I like to do with my mushrooms, pour a little water on them. Steam them up good. Makes them softer. Now we're gonna put some of that island stir fry on it. I mean, growing up, we didn't eat this. We never heard of Chinese food. Heck, we ate what we had, you know. Most of the time our meat didn't even have a first name. All right, y'all, we're gonna turn these over. Watch them, more water. We're gonna wait just a minute. We're gonna mix all this together, but right now, I'm gonna pull them to the side a little bit. And we're gonna get some shrimp. Start cooking our shrimp. Now, the reason I got these, because most people don't have fresh shrimp where they at. We do most of the time. I use that, but you can get this anywhere. This is frozen shrimp. And they are gonna be good. Now watch, it don't take long at all to cook these shrimp. We're gonna let these kind of cook down a little bit. Like I said, come out of the frozen shrimp department. Throw a little soy sauce on them. I like to let them cook a minute. When these things are about done, we'll be right back. We're gonna mix everything together. Y'all watch, it's gonna be good for somebody else. All right, y'all, it's time to mix all this together. First thing I'm gonna do, watch this. Grab your water bottle. See all that stuff coming up right here? That's the good stuff. That's what makes your food the flavor right there. Get all this, mix it together. Ooh-wee. Once you get that mix, you can basically turn this off. Hey y'all, we're gonna use the good stuff. This is Japanese barbecue sauce. It is good. And it's got honey in it. Y'all know I like honey. All right, here we go. We're gonna drizzle it all over there. Okay. Now, we're gonna let it sit a second. Now, don't cut the fire off, so we're letting it mix in. Miss Janet's gonna love this. Let me show y'all how I'm gonna pick this up. Get my big plate right here. Here we go. Got my big scoop from Blackstone. I love this thing. Love this thing. Look at that. Ooh. Get all that sauce, y'all. Okay, we got it. A good meal for somebody else. All right, y'all. I was gonna put a little sesame seeds on here because it makes it look pretty. And my wife likes pretty stuff, so I'm getting it for her. But I wasn't gonna taste, but I think I might chew on some of the meat, as long as it don't have too much vegetable taste in it. Pretty good. If I make that without vegetables, I could eat it. Hey y'all, sometimes it ain't about us, it's about our wives. So hey, it's pretty good stuff. She's gonna love it, that's the main thing. Let me bring her this and I'll find me something to eat.